Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal, but important. Have you ever had that moment where you wanted your body to respond, but your erection just wasn't as firm, or it faded too quickly? It can be frustrating, sometimes even embarrassing, and it makes a lot of men think, maybe I'm just getting old, maybe this is my new normal. But here's the truth. You are not powerless. Yes, pills can help in the short term, but there are natural, science-backed exercises that can strengthen your erections, improve blood flow, and give you back that confidence in the bedroom without depending entirely on medication. And today, I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful methods that can do exactly that. The last one, almost nobody talks about it, but it may just be the hidden gem that can change everything. Now, before we dive in, I'd love for you to do 2 quick things. Hit the like button if you care about men's health, and in the comments, tell me, where are you watching from today? I always enjoy seeing our community grow around the world. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my weekly tips for improving your vitality, intimacy, and confidence. All right, let's get started. First, let's clear up a myth. A lot of men think erections are purely about testosterone, or that if they're struggling, it must be all in their head. That's not the full story. Yes, hormones and psychology matter, but biologically, an erection is fundamentally a vascular event. Here's what I mean. Your arteries bring oxygen-rich blood into the penis. Your erectile tissue traps that blood, and your veins keep it there until release. If those blood vessels aren't healthy, or if the muscles that support them are weak, your erection can struggle no matter how high your desire is. So instead of only thinking about hormones or pills, we have to think about vascular health and pelvic strength. That's where the 3 exercises I'm about to share come in. For those who are new here, my name is Dr. Nerita. I'm a urologist and men's health specialist with over 12 years of experience working with thousands of men on exactly these issues. And what I've seen again and again is this. When men learn to strengthen the foundations of sexual function, not just cover symptoms with a pill, their confidence skyrockets. They feel younger, more in control, more alive. So with that, let's break down the 3 methods you can start practicing right away. Exercise number 1, pelvic floor training, aka Kegels for men. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Kegels? Aren't those for women? Not at all. In fact, strengthening your pelvic floor muscles is one of the most effective natural ways to boost erection quality. Here's why. Biologically, your pelvic floor muscles wrap around the base of your penis and support the blood vessels that trap blood inside during an erection. If those muscles are weak, blood leaks out too quickly. If they're strong, you can hold a firmer, longer-lasting erection. Emotionally, this gives you a sense of control, no more worrying mid-intimacy about losing it. And practically, it's something you can do discreetly, anywhere. Here's how. Find the muscles. Next time you urinate, try stopping the flow midstream. The muscles you just used, that's your pelvic floor. Practice. Contract those muscles for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Do 10 reps, 2 to 3 sets per day. Stay consistent. Most men notice improvement in 4 to 6 weeks. Firmer erections, better ejaculation control, even more intense orgasms. Think of it as strength training, but for your most important muscle group. Exercise number 2, vacuum therapy, the penile pump. Now don't roll your eyes, this isn't some late night gimmick. Vacuum therapy or using a penile pump is a clinically proven, doctor-recommended method, especially for men recovering from prostate surgery or struggling with erectile dysfunction. Here's how it works. You place a cylinder over your penis. A gentle vacuum draws blood into the erectile tissue. A constriction ring can help keep it there for intercourse. Biologically, this expands the tissue, improves oxygenation, and trains your blood vessels to respond better over time. Emotionally, it gives you confidence. You know you have a reliable tool when you need it. And practically, it's simple. Most men use it for 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week. A word of caution, pumps are safe when used correctly, but if misused, they can cause bruising or discomfort. So talk to a specialist before starting and start slow. When used right, vacuum therapy not only works, it can enhance the effectiveness of medications like tadalafil when combined. Exercise number 3, penile traction therapy, the extender. Here's the one hardly anyone talks about, yet it's one of the most powerful tools for long-term sexual health. Penile traction devices, also called extenders, aren't just for cosmetic lengthening. They're used in urology clinics and by sexual health physiotherapists to improve vascular health and tissue elasticity. Here's what happens biologically. Gentle, sustained traction stimulates new blood vessel growth. It increases elasticity in the erectile tissue. Over time, this supports firmer, healthier erections. Studies show that 1 to 2 hours per day, consistently for 3 to 6 months, can significantly improve erection quality. Some men even see modest length gains. Emotionally, this gives back a sense of vitality and hope. Practically, it requires discipline. It's not a quick fix. But if you commit, it pays off in long-term results. One warning, proper fit and gradual traction are crucial. Don't buy a cheap device and crank it up. Think of this like physical therapy, not a toy. So let's put it all together. Start with pelvic floor training, 10 reps, 2 to 3 times a day. No equipment, no excuses. Add vacuum therapy, 2 to 3 short sessions a week to keep blood flow strong. Commit to traction therapy if you're serious about long-term vascular and tissue health. Layered together, these 3 methods tackle the problem from every angle: muscular strength, blood flow, and tissue health. And remember, it's not about quick fixes. It's about building a foundation for years of reliable, confident performance. Now, I know some of you might be feeling discouraged. Maybe you've tried pills, maybe you've had disappointments, maybe you've even avoided intimacy out of fear. Let me reassure you, struggling with erections does not make you broken. It makes you human. And the fact that you're here watching this tells me something. You're not ready to give up. Biologically, your body is capable of change. Blood vessels can strengthen, muscles can grow, tissue can adapt. Emotionally, you deserve intimacy, connection, and confidence no matter your age. And practically, these exercises give you tools you can start today. Gentlemen, your erections are not just about sex. They're about health, vitality, and quality of life. The stronger your pelvic floor, the better your blood flow, the more resilient your tissue, the more confident, energetic, and connected you'll feel in every part of your life. So here's my challenge. Pick one of these exercises and start today, even if it's just 10 pelvic floor squeezes before bed. Small steps add up. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to Dr. Nerita, Salcher Men's Health, and share this video with a friend who could use a boost. And tell me in the comments, which of the 3 exercises are you going to try first? This is Dr. Nerita reminding you, age is not the end of vitality. With the right habits, your best years of intimacy, confidence, and freedom can still be ahead of you. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.